video. It is cool and awesome. So we have Red and the pig. And we'll show you the track first. So let's go. So bye. Hey, Caleb. So you go through the hallway. You go through the hallway. Underwear. And then you go through the carpet area right here. See it? And then I locked my pants up it. And then we go outside. And I step in the pool. No. We go outside. Step in the pool though. No. Okay. So you jump. And then here's the finisher. This yellow bird. His name is called Chuck. Yeah, it's Chuck. And I'm the pig. Yeah, that's me. Right there. And who I'm racing is Red. Yeah, and so that's the course. So let's go back. You get to see the course again. Here's my roller. No, we're racing. So here we go. We're going back. We're going back to the race. We go. Let's go back to the race. Mommy, can you hold this now? Can you hold the iPad now? Okay, how about the backwards driving race? Mommy, can you hold the iPad now? So I'm gonna go. Mommy, no one had a lot.
So we have apple juice, fruit punch, lemonade.
I don't like this kind. But you have different kinds.
That's all we got though. We have this.
Mommy, come on. No, you had
That's milk.
Okay. Here we go. We're gonna race. 6, 5. Come on. Ready, set, no, we're not going yet. Ready, set, my follows, okay? No, let's go this way. Set, go. Now we have to walk back and carry our tracks. And now we're gonna race Bomb and Chuck. Let's go back. Yeah, Bomb. Wait, can I be Bomb? Yeah. We're racing Bomb and Chuck.
Am I still recording?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Here's a broom.
One more time.
Okay.
Watch your head.
Here we go. And Chuck bounces off his head. Slide. And do not trust the last guy and Angry Birds go. Okay, well, what are you doing? I'm reading the finisher. Okay. So we have Chuck and we have Pig, wherever Pig is. No, not Pig, Bomb. We're Bomb. Where's Bomb? So the pig, Bomb. He's coming back. Bomb's coming back. So here comes Bomb. Yeah, we're gonna go see Bomb. I'm racing Bomb. Yeah. Here goes Bomb. Bomb just died. Nope. Bomb just bounced off my arm. Okay, so Bomb, stop. Bomb's dead. Bomb's a zombie. Ready, set, go. On your right. Turbo move. My turbo.
say anything?
No.
Those crazy kids.
Cody?
Those crazy boys.
I won. I won. Race back. 2 moments. It's a race back.
Okay, I'm all done.